I'm sure you've heard the news. Technology is evolving faster than ever. But what if I told you something just launched that could change everything? Imagine a world where your tech frustrations disappear. That world is closer than you think, thanks to the latest breakthrough, NAME. So what makes this different from all the hype you've heard before? For starters, it's not just smarter, it's more intuitive. It adapts to you. It learns from you. It actually makes your life easier. Whether you're working, relaxing, or staying connected, this tech seamlessly blends into your routine. Let's talk features. Fast? Check. Secure? Absolutely. It's designed for everyone, not just the tech gurus. You don't need a manual, a degree, or a tech support hotline. Just plug in and play. But here's the real game changer. This isn't some far-off dream. It's available now, ready to revolutionize the way you live, work, and play. So are you curious yet? Because the future isn't waiting. It's here, it's real, and it's ready for you to explore. Don't get left behind. Be one of the first to experience what's next. Hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started. The next chapter in technology begins today.